Customer override pricing is used to set custom prices for specific customers. In this module, learn how to add override pricing. Head to Global Settings and select Materials. Expand a material item by clicking on it, and the Custom Pricing button should appear. This screen will appear, displaying any pricing levels and quantity break discounts you have set up for this material item. At the bottom, you can see the Customer Overrides section. Here, simply search for the customer you want to apply the custom discount to and add their personalised unit charge. This new charge will override or take priority over all of the pricing levels and quantity breaks above when Finn's Fabrication purchases silver brazing sticks.